Hello, today we're going to be talking about drawing special constructions. And our assignment today is to construct a quadrilateral ABYZ where segment AZ is parallel to segment BY. And we are given segments AZ and BY. So the first thing to do would be to go ahead and take a look at what we're given, and then construct the given in our mind. So if we're given a segment AZ and we're given a segment BY, we need to draw this such that these are parallel. That's the only a quadrilateral such that these are parallel. So if we could just in our mind draw this out, maybe it would look something like this. And then again, really there's several ways we could draw this. As long as they're parallel, we could do the AZ side like that and the BY side like that. It would look like that. Or any number of ways we could do it. The BY side like that and the AZ side like that. It would look something like that. As long as they're parallel. As long as these two lines are parallel. That's the only constraint we have on this. Okay, so what we're going to do in order to work this problem out is we're going to start with a ray. And go ahead and draw a ray in here. And we'll name the point here A prime. And then we're going to replicate segment AZ. So we take our compass, put it on point A, and we find the distance to Z. So, a little short. Having a little trouble adjusting this. There we go. AZ. There we go. And then we'll make A prime congruent. So we'll call this Z prime. And then we will draw a line out from A prime draw another ray leading out from A prime. I had a little paper behind there, that's why I made a skip. I'll move that paper. Okay. Now, I'm going to just pick a spot that's about halfway up here and put a dot there. Call that B prime. Alright, now I need to draw a line that's parallel, so I need to duplicate this angle. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to put my compass at A prime and adjust it down a little lower than B prime there and draw an arc. Sweep my arc, then move to B prime and sweep my arc here, same arc, And then measure from, I'm going to measure my angle here. So put my needle at one of the X's. Measure to exactly where does that cross? There. Then I'll move my needle up to this X. And X marks the spot here. Okay, good. Now I need to connect this X to B prime so I can get my parallel lines, because I've duplicated these angles, the angle at A prime. Okay, there we are. Over to B prime. Alright, now, so I have lines are parallel because the angles are the same. This angle is congruent to this angle, so my lines are parallel. Now I just simply need to measure the segment BY. With my compass. There we go. And draw a congruent segment here from B prime. Alright, and now I'll label this Y prime. Then I'm going to connect Y prime with Z prime, and I'll be all set. Alright, so there you go. You have constructed a quadrilateral. We have satisfied the requirements there. We see that we've constructed the quadrilateral where the sides are parallel. They ask us to have AZ parallel to BY, and we just simply named ours prime. We've added a prime. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next section. Thank you very much.